Hey y'all, I am back to add pockets and the envelopes and tuck spots and all that. That's what we're gonna do. Now, this is one fat journal. Let me clip it down. Okay. I finally got to open the 3-in-1. See how it is. All right, and this is one of those Tim Holtz die cuts that you can add layers into. And I'm just going to glue all around the edges. Okay. And we'll place it like right here at the stitches. Seems runnier, making more of a mess. It feels like it's down. I hope the light's a little brighter. Sun's up now. Okay. I wanted to go back and scrape that off. All right, we got that pocket. I'm gonna leave that plain, and I went through and paper clipped where I wanted everything. All right, and this is that envelope pocket page, and I want it to have a pocket back here as well. So I'm gonna glue around here and then here and here in the bottom. Like coming out too fast or something. I am a messy gluer. I get it all over my fingers. And that's probably going to seep down and close it up more. Not good. All right, I'm going to put it down at the bottom and try to center it. Look at it. Ugh. I don't know if I like this glue. I mean, Fabri-Tac seeps out, but not like this. And then I think the next video, I'm gonna come through with the stencils and maybe some stamps, because doing that first, then you end up covering up stuff. So I'm going to do it after I get these elements in. And there's that pocket page. I put add fabric strip and image. I might do that. All right, and I have this little printout that I'm going to turn into a pocket. I bought these off of Etsy. It said something about these people found gnome cards in their attic, and they scanned them. And I'm just going to go around 3 sides, these 3 sides. I'm going to put it in the corner. And this is a piece of like writing tablet paper. Kids paper. Practice their letters. Scrub my hands before I go out today. And I did add this to my signatures. I didn't show this in a video. I had found an old photo album and I just ripped it out. I'll show you what it looks like. It looks like this. And I just ripped it out and I cut this off and scored it. And then I'll show you what I did to the other side. But yeah, you can put some things in there. And on the side, piece of paper. And then I have an animal book. I think it's a Reader's Digest. Animals of Britain. Cut it out, made me a pocket. See, there's the other side. It's a cute little book. I found it on Amazon, I believe. I just put in used books and then kind of like, I don't know, field references or something. I think that's what I used as my research or my search button. Makes a cute little pocket. Doesn't seem to stick as fast as Fabri-Tac either. All right, and then on this side, I just have a little mushroom sewed around it, and I'm gonna make that a tuck spot in this corner. Hope I'm in frame. I use my iPad, and the forward-facing camera where I could see it doesn't zoom in. So I have to turn it the other way, so I have to stand up to look what's going on. Man, stick. It's getting more on my fingers than sticking more to me than the paper. Make sure that's not going to seep out. All right, next is the flip book fabric flip down. And I think I'll put it on this side. And there's the envelope to hide the sewing. I haven't glued it together yet. I will. And I think I'm gonna let it stick up a little bit so you can see. Glue the crap out of this one. Looks like there's a piece of tape on there. Should be good. Okay. See if it's sticking out. Yeah, but I don't want to see the paper. Okay. Lift it up, get to the back. Smush it down. Leaking out. That's one thing I do like about these glues is you can rub them off pretty much. I have a hole there from a paper clip that I'm gonna have to do something with. And there we go. All right, next. Okay, and this book is from the same, here I'll grab them. Here they are. Field Guide to the Animals and Field Guide to Wildflowers. And I made a envelope out of that, and I'm going to stick it right in the center of this encyclopedia page. And I thought about making a pocket behind it, but I'm not going to do that. I've already went back to front and glued stuff in, so you don't have to watch me repeat everything. And I don't know if I want to Velcro this down or glue it open. I haven't quite decided, like maybe glue this flap down. I haven't quite decided about that yet. But I'm gonna glue it all down. Oh, here comes my dog. I left the door open like a dummy. I didn't figure anybody would be up. All right, I'm gonna go on this side and burnish. right here. Sorry if you hear him snorting. All right, another page. Okay, and I made some envelopes out of some more magazine, Velcroed them together. And then this is the other side of that photo. And I am going to glue this right here. And it'll stick like that, and then I'm going to decorate it with something. Fabric, washi tape, I don't know, something. But it'll be glued in, and then it can be used like this. All right, let's do that. Okay. Make sure I get that even. Burnish this down. And there's a page out of that book I just showed you. There we go. Get the envelope in. All right, what's next? Pockets. Okay. This is out of the animal book. And I made a little flip pocket, sewed around it, and I'm gonna put it down here in the corner. Fold it in. And of course the watercolor page. Alrighty. And then on this side is the little bag we made from I made from the magazine and then turned into a pocket. And I was gonna leave this open as well, but I didn't. I'm gonna do the whole thing and stick it like right there. Because it's already two pockets, and I didn't want it to stick out so much. Here he comes again. And I think this is it. Yep. This is it for pockets and envelopes and tuck spots. I'll flip you through the rest of it. And when I first had it all pinned in there, like paper clipped in there, it stood up to almost 4.5 inches, so much better. Now it's 3 1/4. Now it won't look like an alligator mouth. Yeah, it'll tie up nicely. Okay. But we just saw the first signature, and the second one, there we go. There's that page, pocket, tuck, photo, pocket, tuck, envelope, flip notebook. This is chock-a-block full. I hadn't even added the tags or anything. Envelope that I will decorate the other side with. Something. Envelope. And I may do the Velcro piece. I haven't decided. I don't know. Pocket. 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 That was the second signature. And then the same as we keep going. And these are pockets too. put the notebook on this one. We'll tuck. That was part of the pages though. And I'm glued together somehow. There we go. Tuck. This one. Another pocket. Another tuck. Photo page. I haven't glued that together yet. And here's the envelope from that one. Oh, got glued. There we go. Pocket. And another book page pocket. This one feels tight. There we go. And then a pocket here. And there we go. And next I'll be decorating the pages. Thanks for watching, guys.